Welcome to our video where we compare two popular treadmills based on online reviews and feature comparisons, the Sperax treadmill and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill.
Let's dive into what makes each of these treadmills unique and see which one might be the right fit for your home workout needs. When it comes to price, the Sperax treadmill comes in at around $499, offering a range of features for those willing to invest in their fitness.
On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill is priced at $179, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious shoppers looking for a convenient way to stay active.
The Sperax treadmill boasts a wide non-slip belt and multifunctional LED display, catering to those who prioritize safety and tech-savvy features in their workout equipment. Meanwhile, the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill offers a portable under-desk design and is noted for its ultra-quiet operation, appealing to users who need to fit exercise into their busy schedules without causing disruption. Both treadmills feature a 2.5 horsepower motor and offer speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour, making them suitable for a range of fitness levels. Reviewers appreciate the Sperax treadmill's sturdy construction and ease of use, while the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill is praised for its compactness and user-friendly design, making it ideal for smaller living spaces. Overall, reviewers have positive sentiments towards both treadmills. The Sperax treadmill is lauded for its durability, range of speeds, and handbar options, making it a fantastic value. Meanwhile, the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill is celebrated for its compactness, ease of use, and suitability for walking under a desk, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space.
That wraps up our comparison of the Sperax treadmill and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill. Whether you're looking for a durable and feature-rich option or a compact and quiet treadmill, both products offer great value for different needs.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description to learn more.
Thank you for watching.